Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. Good morning, have a nice day, have a nice moment. Today is 14th of January 2019. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the day of God, Sun God, Sun God, Makar Sankranti, the day of the Sun God, the source of unlimited, unblemished, unending, energy, fire, warmth, and energy, pure energy. So, ladies and gentlemen, this Makar Sankranti, the sun moves to Makara. It moves to Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn, which is near New Zealand and Australia. Otherwise, we are only having Tropic of Cancer near India. So when the sun moves during the winter solstice, it moves to Makara, Tropic of Capricorn. So summer starts in India, the days get longer, and in Australia and New Zealand, the winter will start now. Just imagine, in the other hemisphere, in the other portion, in the other half of the Earth, planet Earth, it starts winter. Here summer will start, the days will be longer, and of course that it coincides with Lohri also. Lohri yesterday, and the day of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. 352nd birthday of Guru Gobind Singh Ji on 13th January 2019. And Lohri also. Happy Lohri, happy Makara Sankranti. So Makara Sankranti is very important. On this very important day, more than 300 million, 30 crore Hindus in India take a dip in the sacred rivers, ladies and gentlemen, because it is auspicious. We pray to the God, Sun God, and of course chant hymns in honor of sun, telling that please save this planet, please don't stop giving us sun, please don't stop giving us energy, please don't stop giving us vitamin D. Vitamin D is important for the human body also. Nothing can be possible without sun. So, ladies and gentlemen, on this Makar Sankranti, very important day, Prayagraj, the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. On this very important day, ladies and gentlemen, this Makar Sankranti, more than 30 crore, 300 million people take a dip. And of course, tomorrow will be starting the Mahakumbh after 12 long years. Ladies and gentlemen, this is all important, this is all wonderful. So happy Sankranti, Makar Sankranti. Once again, have a nice time. Happy Makar Sankranti, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you. Happy Makar Sankranti. Happy Makar Sankranti. Thank you very much. God bless. Happy Makar Sankranti.